Hi guys, Anton Bion here with the Gaia team and Interior Real Estate. I'm standing here in one of our latest listings. This one is situated in the Cabrillo neighborhood of Fremont, California. Also, within the boundaries of the infamous American High School. This one is 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bath, all within about 1,126 square feet of living area. Let's take a look around. Stepping foot inside, you're in the living area, and it makes it feel so cozy. It has direct access to everything: the kitchen, garage, private front yard, and the upstairs living area. Let's take a look at the kitchen. Wow, it features European style cabinetry which have Model X Falcon style doors. The kitchen also features matching upgraded backsplash. There's also plenty of countertop space for all of your cooking and appliances, and there's also plenty of cabinet space as well. From the living room, you also have direct access to the common half bathroom, the attached 2-car garage, and the private front yard. Heading upstairs, the 2-part staircase is designed for minimal space occupancy, so it is not taking up a lot of living area. The 2 bedrooms upstairs are located right across the bathroom and would be ideal for children or guests. Additionally, the 2 bedrooms share a large balcony that is facing an open green belt. Stepping into the master bedroom, its generous size will make you feel so welcome. The closet spans from wall to wall. The master bedroom also features its very own balcony. Additionally, the master bedroom has its very own office ensuite, perfect for working at home. Now let's take a look at the private front yard. It is generous in size and offers a place for outdoor cooking, kids to play, or just everyday lounging. Other features of this home are, but not limited to, recessed lighting, granite countertops, elegant lighting fixtures, double pane windows, new interior paint, new flooring, an all-new central AC and new heating system. This home is also just a short 3-minute walk to Cabrillo Trail Park, which offers miles and miles of jogging and walking trails. Alright guys, you've seen the video and you heard all about this very beautiful property. Now it's time for you to schedule your tour today.